Hello guys, welcome back. Today's episode is all about string, an introduction to string, not Python. This is Python documentation 3.9.10.0 version of the new version of Python. Of course, there's new features become with on a new version 3.9.10. But actually, I think it's not time to explain or give you a new features because the first thing it's gonna be take a long time. The second thing, the explanation going to be really difficult. Anyway, today's episode we going talking about string. So what we're gonna do actually is talking about string in Python. So let's get simple idea. The first thing, what is a string? So we have for example let's say like this. So print hello world. This is a string. The first thing, those are characters. The second thing, quotes. So we have two types of quotes. The first type is double quotes, like this. The second thing, or the second type, is single quotes. There's no difference between them, but it's just the same result, the same string that you want to print on the screen, so there's no difference, so let's take to see what is a single quote. So like this, hello world. So the same results. So this is the first thing we can use. Hello, and we can use for example world. So it's going to be connected to them. So this is the first thing. I can say hello world, and we get this. So we can do numbers or perform numbers with string. Like what? We can't, of course, add number to the string. This is not a logical. But so we can do something like to hello. So we will get is 3 times of hello world. So let's this is the first thing. So if we have for example 3 to for example a example, so what we get is this is the result. So 3 times. This is the first thing. The first thing, there's an operator that we can use, which is this. Let's say for example we have this is word. This is a single quotes, hello, and then this, and then T. But we get error. Why? Let me tell you why you need to put this. So it's now with double quotes. We can reverse, but we know we're gonna do is now I'm sorry. So let's say here. So what we get is this, you know. So this is the first thing. The second thing, we can do something like print hello, hello, and then something like this, and then world. So we get it's in the first line, it's print hello, and then jump to this to the next line, and then print world. So this is a simple thing. This is a simple thing. You know, everything is well. So also we can use another thing, which is for example, if we want to do something like x. So we have x something hello. This is Python idly, you know. And then if you want to learn Python, watch this. So it's just like, yes, let's say yes or no. And then what we're gonna do is something like this. So print x, not this, print x. So what we get is as you see here, hello. So it's like dialing with it's like options, you know. So this is the first thing. Also yes, we talk about this, and let's say if we have, for example, text, and this text is equal to is long. Let's say hello world, and then, you know, I don't know, not this, it's like something like this. So let's talk about this another time. Also we can do something, another thing, if we have, for example, x or first character equal, for example, a, second character equal to b. So what we can do is print or first or print, this is better, so first character plus second character. So what we get is AB, you know. This is what we actually, it's really simple, you know. So yes. Also there's another something, this is something that actually it's important. Everything in Python, it's just index. So for example, we have hello or paint. This is just introduction. So we have A, B, C. On the Python, it is like, it is will put A on index 0 and B on index 1 and C on index 2. So this is the first thing. So index is the number of so A located on 0 index 0, and B on the 1 index. You can't say A and B and C, so you can't A is 1 and then 2 and then 3. No, because every the beginning of index is always 0. There's no exception, there's no case, you know. So put this in your mind. The second video going to be also about string in Python. So this is Python documentation. It's really helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more information about Python, or going to take more debugging details about string or anything or any concept on Python, so you can visit this or download. So it's automatically going to come with Python by default. So thank you so much for watching video.